Mailchimp email template tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Mailchimp and how you can use its email template. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now over here, what you're going to do is come over here onto Mailchimp.com, and once you've come over here, all you got to do is just simply sign up by clicking on this button right here at the top right corner, or clicking on the sign up button over here. There are some plans available, so let's take a look at those. So over here, as you can see, we have 4 plans. We have these premium, standard, essential, and free plan. So in the free plan, you get marketing CRMs, creative assistants, website builders, Mailchimp domains, forms, and landing page. Whereas in the essentials, it's gonna cost you like $11 per month, and it gives you email and landing page templates. It gives you customer journey builder, custom brandings, A/B testing, and 24/7 email and chat support. And then we have the standard one, which is $17 per month, and it gives you customer journey builder plus branching points, send time optimizations, behavioral targeting, custom templates, and dynamic content. You also get all the other features that are mentioned in the previous plans. And then you have the premium plan, and it's going to cost you like $299, which is like, let's say $300 per month. And this is going to give you a bunch of more options I don't think you're going to need. So either you go with the essential or the standard one. It all depends on you. But for this video, we're going to stick with the free plan. So we're just simply going to click on sign up free. And then over here, we just simply have to enter in our email address, our username, and a password, and we are good to go. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and sign up, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So once you have logged in, this is how it's going to look like. So this is going to be your dashboard, and over here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different options. But since we're here to set up an email template, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto the left side, and we're going to have a bunch of different options. What you're going to do is either you're going to click on the audience, or you're going to click on the campaigns over here, because this is basically the main option right here. So basically your audience, you upload your contacts, fans, segments, and all of that. And then in campaigns, you basically get started with your email campaign. So you have all campaigns over here. Within that, you will have a bunch of different options. And then underneath all campaigns, you will have edit template and report. So if you click on edit template, what that will do is basically it's going to take you over here onto the template section right here. And you will be able to create an email template for your campaigns. Now, as you can see, I don't have any saved templates. That's because I'm using the free plan. But if I were using the essentials plan or the pro plan, then I would have a bunch of different options that you would not see in the free plan as well. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on create template and be able to create some different templates for our email campaign right here. Now, when we do that, we have a bunch of different options. We have the basic templates, and then we have the featured templates. So in the featured templates, you're going to have your templates that have like a pre-designed outcome. Like they have like the images where you're going to upload your images, where you're going to upload, logos, where you're going to write about the product or email, whatever it is that you are writing about. So it gives you a pretty decent overview of the A template. And then you have the basic options right here. So as you can see, we have 1 column full width, you have 1.5 column, 1.5 column with full width, like different options. And in this one you don't get that, but you do get the basic outlook. So over here you choose whichever one you want. Now for me, I'm basically gonna choose the first one because that's like the most obvious one. I feel like a lot of people are going to be using it because it's so simple and so fun and so good as well. It's like you get your logo at the top, you get your title, then you highlight your product, then you highlight the product's features, then you highlight some other new products that are also available, and your email is complete. So as you can see, this is how it looks like, right? So now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and edit this out. So we're gonna put our logo over here, we're gonna enter in our title over here, we're gonna put a product image over here, and then like a features and some more, and then we're good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. And you have some other blocks as well, like if you wanted to add another block, you can go ahead and do that over here. For example, like this is like a footer, so all you gotta do is just simply drag and drop it over here at the bottom, and boom, you have yourself a footer. You can go ahead and edit this out. It all depends on you. So pretty much that's how you do it. Now, if you don't like it, you can just simply go ahead and remove it by clicking on this trash icon over here, and you will delete that section of your email. So, I mean, I don't really want this section. I just want this section. Like, I think this is a pretty decent size email, like simple, straight to the point. like, hey, we have this new product, this is the product, these are its features, this is where you can buy it, like simply that. I think that's pretty decent, so I'm gonna stick with this. So next, let me just go ahead and, for example, let's just say that our company sells shoes, and we have this new shoe that we want to let our customers know about. So I'll just come over here onto images, and maybe like I'll find that product and upload it, and people can see that product. So something like this, maybe like, I think this looks cool. So I'll just simply save this image right here. Oh, this is a WebP file, so we can add that. Maybe like another file that I think would look good. Maybe something like this. I think this looks awesome. So let's go ahead and save this image. This is also a WEPB. What about these ones? Can I save image as? No, actually this image is much better. So we'll just save that image there. Come back over here, and then we'll upload this image over here. So to upload it, I mean, as you can see, you just simply click on the image and click on replace, and then you are arrived over here. And then over here you can go ahead and click on the upload button to upload your file. So as you can see right now, it's uploading, and once it's uploaded, we can go ahead and add it. So as you can see over here, this is how it looks like. You can go ahead and increase the size of the image that you want people to see. You can increase it, decrease it, however you feel like it. So I think this looks nice over here. Then over here you can enter in the name of the shoe. So it's like a brown leather shoe. All right, it's for $33, I would say. Brown leather shoes. I think these are like Oxfords. I think, I'm not really sure, so I'll just simply click on this icon over here and I'll edit this out. So for this one, the feature style, I'll just say brown leather shoe, Oxford shoe. Yeah, I think that looks good. And then you can go ahead and edit this segment out of the email so that people can see how it looks like. And then over here, you upload your logo. So let me just upload my logo as well. Click on upload. And we'll just say this is the logo, and it's a little bit big, so I'm just simply gonna go ahead and lower it out. Yeah, I think that looks nice. So once that's done, just simply click on save and exit. Now, as I said before, you're gonna save this template, so I'll just say shoe template, and there we go. We now have ourselves an email template that's ready to be saved and that's ready to be used. Now, as I said before, we can't use this template. Like, I can't really actually show you using this template, since email marketing or email campaigns are only available in the pro plan or the essential plan or higher. They're not available in the free plan, so unfortunately I can't show you that. But I mean, this is how generally you're supposed to use the template section to create yourself a template, and once you have done that, you are good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on your notification bell, because if you do that, not only will you be helping us out, but you'll also be getting daily alerts of whenever we upload our videos. We upload daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. So just make sure to hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified, and you'll be able to consume your daily dose of tech videos and other gadgets and other tools that can help you run or scale your business. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.